This is my new Sony camcorder. This is the camcorder I used to videotape the New York Village Halloween parade. It's a high definition 1920 x 1080. It comes with a 1-hour battery. This is not the battery it came with. This is a 2-hour battery. It takes great videos even in low light conditions. I purchased it online from Crunchfield for $7.99. There's a video out there that tells you all about this camcorder. When you get a chance, check it out. I will definitely recommend this camcorder to anyone. Sony. It's a great camcorder.